Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today I'm gonna be prepping the bumper and getting it ready for Bondo. So as you can see, we have the cracks and we have the areas that are rough. So what I plan on doing is pretty much getting that prepped. Wait. Before we even start on the video, I want you guys make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest videos. If you guys don't, make sure you follow me at VIPLS_430 on Instagram. Also, you guys can check out the new page at luxury9, luxury_9_ on Instagram. Also, this is the shirt that I'm rocking for people like us that love dope brands. Also, this is the back of the shirt. So if you guys want to cop a shirt, make sure you guys visit the website. Link is down in the description below. Let's get back into the video. Alright, so here I have my Bauer 80 grit sandpaper along with the 150 grit sandpaper. A couple other things you're going to need is your Bondo, your hardener cream. I have my Bauer hand palm sander. So first I'm going to go ahead and start off with the 80 grit sandpaper. You're going to want to make sure that the holes line up with the hand palm sander. So now I'm pretty much going to go ahead and start sanding everything down, getting it prepped and ready. So what I'm going to do next is get my microfiber cloth and just wipe it down. Make sure I get all the dust and debris off. So now I'm pretty much going to go ahead and shake up the can. For the Bondo, go ahead and grab yourself a flathead screwdriver and pop that top open. So as you can see, I use a little bit too much Bondo. So as you can see, I'm using too much hardener. You guys are going to pretty much make sure you guys are knowing exactly how much to use, because if not, it's going to end up like this. It's starting to get hard. Shit. I'm not going to be able to use it. So as you can see, it looks like some dried up Play-Doh. That goes straight in the trash. So this is going to be the correct way. As you can see here, have my gloves, got my stick, the correct amount of hardener. Alright, so now that I got everything mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and lay down an even layer across the bumper. Now it might not be too even, being that it is my first time, but I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down and work with what I got. Alright, so now that I got everything sanded down, I'm pretty much going over, checking the area, making sure that it's nice and smooth. That crack that was there is pretty much filled in. I'm just going down, making sure there's no rough edges, no rough areas. And we're good to go. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you guys on the next video.